Hey Gabe, what's going on? Jesus here with another video where I'm going to show you a little bit of an update on how things are, where things are heading, and some of the new stuff that I'm trying. So if you feel that I'm rushing a bit, it's because there's lots to cover, and like always, I don't want to make these videos too long. But I'm going to be sending this document, this Word document, along with a video too as well on an email. So in case you want to go over in more detail, you can definitely do so. All right, so number one, I'm going to talk about the YouTube video that I just created and included on your website. It's always good to add videos when your competition doesn't have videos on their website and you do. That obviously helps you in regards to rankings. So always good to add videos. So I'll show you that. I also started creating a blog. I'm going to be creating a blog, a monthly, weekly, whatever, but I'm going to be posting blogs on the website. It's just another way to market your business. So what don't you do it? I figure you are in a very competitive market when talking in regards to scrap metal and waste material management and disposal. All that is very competitive in this region. So a blog is just another way to try to reach more people and try to target more of those keywords or those services, those products. So I figure why not? So we're going to talk about that. I also started a Facebook ad campaign. I created a blog and then I created an ad, and in that ad I'm promoting the blog that I just created. In that blog I always obviously I talk about your business. I talk about some valuable information that people might be interested, and just another way to attract more people and more traffic to the website. So these are some of the benefits of the Facebook ad campaign that I've seen. So obviously promoting the blog, the potential of targeting a specific audience when using Facebook, that's huge. Like for example, we can create an ad on Facebook targeting people that are planning to move. You can actually do that on Facebook. So once you do that, you create an ad, and in that ad we promote your bin and sandbag rental business, for example, to those people that are planning to move. So they might be needing that service. You're providing an answer for their problem. So those are some of the things that we can do with Facebook. We're going to go over Google Analytics, how your website is behaving, and Google rankings. You're number one under all these keywords. So we'll go over that. More citations, more listings. We'll go over those and some of the work that we have ahead. All right. So let's jump on it. So let's go to the YouTube video. First of all, this is your website. Good looking website. And as you can see over here, I included this YouTube video. People can just click on it and let's just watch. Awesome. You like it? I did. So over here they can click on this one and it will take you to the actual YouTube page where this video is posted to as well. So we don't need to listen to that again. But you know, I optimized this video too as well. Just included a big description of your business, the areas that you cover, all the services that you offer. So that's also good to advertise these YouTube videos around so people can get it. And you know, where people are searching for Calgary recycling and scrap metal pickup, for example, they're gonna see this video in Google and on YouTube as well. So great to see that. So let's go to the blog. Let's talk about the blog that I created for your website. So again, let's go back to your website. This is your home page. So over here you can see all your pages. So right there you can see the blog tab. So if we click to that one, it's going to take you to the blog that I just created. and it's right here. It's called Something to Know About Scrap Metal. And I just did a little bit of research and provided some information about the life cycle of scrap metal, how it goes from old equipment and it gets recycled, it gets shipped around the world, and just trying to provide some information for people out there. So once I created this blog, I created an ad on Facebook, and on that ad on Facebook, I'm promoting that blog, and I'm targeting people that I believe are going to be interested in these kind of subjects, and they were. I ran this ad for a week. I reached 1,342 people. Out of those 1,300 people, 42 actually clicked on the ad, meaning they actually, I'm going to show you how the ad looks. The ad looks like this. This is how I try to kind of engage with people. We Calgarians care about the environment, right? Learn more about the life cycle of scrap metal, all in favor of a greener planet. So trying to hook that people in so they actually click on this little button. So every time they click to this button, they're going to take them to the website. So that's a way to attract traffic and to create awareness. So, it's just testing. I think we did pretty well. I wanted to do 20 bucks. I ended up paying 48 cents for each click, which is not bad if the results are going to be that you create more awareness and more engagement with your audience and with your potential customers in the future. So that was a good result. All right. So as I was saying before, the benefits of a Facebook advertising: you promote your blog, you promote your services, you can target a specific audience. So all that fun stuff. So I'm looking forward to try more of that in the future. So now let's talk about Google Analytics and keyword research, some of the stuff that I've been doing in regards to that. All right, so let's jump on that. So Google Analytics, I go to the website. And it's looking all right. We've had some activity in the last week. It's been coming down. This is when I actually launched the campaign on Facebook, so we got quite a bit of response on that. It's kind of coming back up again over here. So let's see how that works. It also depends on the day of the week that people are actually looking to their phones and all that kind of stuff. Some statistics, some numbers. That's always good to see. So you can see how the engagement is trending up. That's good. Some people, how they're looking at your ad through mobile phone or through desktop. Most of the people looking at your website in Canada. So fun stuff. In regards to your Google listing, we can see some of the numbers for the last month. So for the last month, we can see that 29 people actually saw your listing on Google, actually made a click on the listing on Google. Out of those 29, 5 actually search for ALCOP resource recycling. So they specifically looked for your business name. The remaining actually found your listing through a keyword. They typed either transformer decommissioning, they typed some of that stuff, and they found your listing that way. Okay, so this is how people are finding your listing on Google, through the organic search or through the Google Maps. Two fantastic ways to reach potential customers. So we're definitely seeing a lot of activity, 53 views in the last month. So people are looking at your business. More activity, more fun stuff. So that's excellent. Let's move on to keywords. I've been You know, some of the research that I do, I try to play a little bit of a spy game. I look at competitors, I see how they are being ranked, what kind of keywords they're using, and these are some of the keywords that people are using to when searching in Google. So my job here is to look at these keywords and try to come up with, for example, a blog. Try to talk about scrap metal in Calgary, metal recycling Calgary, all that, scrap metal, trying to include all these keywords in content, and that way try to rank your website higher and put it on in front of the eyes of more people. All right, so let's move on. In rankings, I said that you were all already number one if you search for Transformer Decommission Calgary. And I'm going to show you exactly how we did that. If you go to google.ca and you type Transformer Decommissioning Calgary, Alcop is right there, one. Alcop is right there, number two. So you are one twice on page one of Google for that specific keyword. So that's excellent news. You're also on page one when people are searching for industrial site cleanup Calgary. I can show you right here. It's right there. That's alcoprecycling.ca. So that's great to see that your business is starting to show on the first pages of Google where people actually are looking for these services. You're also on page one under industrial farm cleanup. It's right there, Alcop. Excellent news. You know, when people are actually searching for Alcop Calgary, these are the results they get. They get 1,000 results, 1,000 listings where Alcop is being mentioned, where your services are being promoted. So that's excellent news. More listing, more citations. The more the better. So your listing, your business is listed on Canada One. This is a powerful online directory in talking nationally. So Alcop is right there. You know, it takes you to the website, a little description, everything about Alcop. So good stuff. You're also listed on Shop in Canada. This is also a very powerful directory listing. Believe it or not, people go in here and look for services. So that's your listing right there in Shop in Calgary. You're also right there on Foursquare.com. This is also this is actually globally. This is around the world. So having a listing here, it gives you lots of authority in the eyes of Google. As you can see, I added a lot of pictures and some information so people can actually find you on Foursquare. Finally, this is another good one, Spoke.com. I was able to list your business, on Spoke.com. So Alcop is present right there too. You know, social media interaction and all that fun. All right, so what's ahead? More blogs, you know, more quality content, more, more value to the people, more blogs where we can promote your services and we can reach more people. We can promote those blogs and drive more traffic to the website, and that way just build authority in the eyes of Google and reach more people over time. All right, so more citations, obviously, more listings. This is an ongoing process. So each month we need to find more listings and we need to list your business in them. Obviously, we need to build more backlinks. You know, this is more in the back end, more technical stuff, but very, very important. So I'm always working on building backlinks to your website. All right, and more testing with Facebook ads. I find it really interesting, and I see a lot of potential when using Facebook advertising, and why not? I'll keep testing on it, and I'll definitely keep you posted on my results. All right, so that's it, Gabe. Like I said, I'm gonna be sending this document along with a video, and I hope you find it interesting. And you know, we're making some progress, and this game of SEO takes time, but it's necessary. It's necessary to have all this stuff out there, so you're not behind with what's coming ahead. The age of the internet is here, so we all have to we all have to keep up. All right. So I'll be in touch. I'm gonna be sending this right away. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you later. Take it easy. Bye.